Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I will show you the secret categories of numbers, that is type of numbers. The first one, we have natural numbers, which is denoted by capital N. Natural numbers are the counting numbers, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to infinity. In natural numbers, it's subdivided into 4. We have even numbers. Even number is any number that can be divided by 2 without remainder. Another way to say it, even numbers are multiples of 2. Examples are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on to infinity. Then we have odd number. Odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided by 2 exactly. Whenever it's divided by 2, there must be a remainder or a fraction. These numbers are 1. 1 is an odd number because when 1 is divided by 2, it will turn to a fraction. Then next is 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on to infinity. Then prime numbers. Prime numbers has 2 factors only, itself and 1. 1 is not a prime number because 1 has only 1 factor, which is 1. Prime numbers started from 2. 2 is a prime number because it has 2 factors, itself and 1. 1 can divide it and 2 can divide it. We have 3, it has 2 factors. We have 5, we have 7, we have 11, we have 13, and so on to infinity. Then what is composite numbers? Composite numbers are those numbers that has more than 2 factors. Is 2 a composite number? No, because 2 has only 2 factors. Is 3 a composite number? No, because it has 2 factors. So composite numbers start from 4. We have 4. 4 has more than 2 factors. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, and itself, which is 3 factors. We have 6, we have 9, we have 10, we have 12, and so on to infinity. Next type of number, we have whole number. Whole number is just when you add 0 to natural number. That is, whole number is 0, 1 as added to the natural number. We have 3, 4, 5, and so on to infinity. Then what is integer? Integer is addition of negative natural number to whole number. It will give us, let's say, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity. These are integers. So integers are number represented in number line, telling you both negative and positive. The next is rational number, which is denoted by Q. Is of the form P over Q, which telling you that ratio means fraction. These numbers are terminating and non-terminating recurrent decimals. For example of rational numbers, we have 1 over 2, we have 4 over 5, we have even 2 over 1. 3, all these are rational numbers. 2 is over 1. Any number is over 1 is still of the form of P over Q. So we still have some numbers like terminating decimal, which is like 0.2, 0.5, all are included in rational number. Non-terminating decimal are numbers like 1/3, which will give you 0.333 recurrent. Then we still have something like 3/11, which will give you 0.272727 continuously. These are under rational number. Then we move to the next one, which is irrational number. Irrational number is denoted by Q prime. Q prime means that whatever that is not a rational number are included in irrational number. So they are just opposite. So how do we differentiate rational number from irrational numbers? These are numbers that cannot be a terminating or non-recurrent numbers. Examples are √2, which will give you 1.41421 continuously. We have √3, which will give you 1.73205 recurrent. We still have something like pi, which is 3.1459 recurrent. Then we move to the next one here, which is number 6. Number 6 is telling us real number. Real number is the combination of rational and irrational number. So real numbers encompasses all the ones mentioned. It's inside real number we have natural number, we have whole number, we have integer, we have rational, we have irrational. All are embedded in the real numbers. Examples of real numbers are all the numbers we have mentioned. Then we go to imaginary number. As the name implies, imaginary means something that appears not to be real. For example, -2 is an imaginary number. We have root of -1. These are imaginary numbers. Any root of negative number is included as an imaginary number. If this helps you, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.